Hi, it's Jen. I'm here in my meditation spot that I'd like to share with you because it's a very special moment right now with my friends. As you can see, there's someone right behind me. How cute is that? How cute. I can't. And if you want to see a real cute treat right here, hello, Mama Cow. Then we have the ball, and the baby just stood up right there. There's a pond down there past the studios. See, my yoga swing is up there because that's where I meditate, and I have my singing bowl and pyramid, copper pyramid. It's the quietest place on the farm, even with these cows and goats here. It's even makes it even more peaceful somehow. Animals' energy is just as good as these trees. The exchange that's going on between us all is beautiful, and I wish that for you all. Look at this baby. I don't know, maybe a week old, adjusting to this beautiful environment so quickly, so easily. All the animals get along, every size, every shape, every color. Doesn't even matter if it's a cow, a bull, a goat, a pig, a cat, a dog. Everybody gets along on the farm. Humans too. So, my gift for humanity, or for you, is to get into nature. I promise I'll heal